Hey everyone, I'm Ryan from Marine Parts Source, and today we're going to take a peek inside a rub rail kit from Taco Marine. Now the rub rail is going to hide that seam between the deck and the hull on your boat, but functionally it's protecting your boat from the harsh elements of the marine environment. Of course, over time the rub rail is going to absorb a lot of wear and tear, a lot of bumps and scratches, and of course the weather is going to wear it on it as well. And so the rub rail is going to start to look pretty worn and dated, and you're going to want to replace it. Probably the easiest way to replace rub rail is going to be using one of these kits from Taco Marine. They've done a really good job of putting together a product that's easy to install, even for the end user, the boat owner, to do themselves. There are a lot of different sizes and styles available from Taco. They offer a flexible vinyl, a more rigid vinyl, aluminum, and a stainless steel version. They also offer multiple colors like black and gray and white and chrome. So there's a lot of options to pick from. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. So as I mentioned, there are many different styles of rub rail available from Taco Marine. This particular kit is a semi-rigid vinyl, but of course there are different styles available depending on what your needs might be. So let's just get all of these components out, and then we can talk about each one. The first piece is the actual base of the rub rail itself. As you can see, it is a semi-rigid vinyl. It's got a good bit of strength to it, but it's still flexible enough to where you can wrap it around the shape of the boat. It's also pre-drilled with holes for the screws to install it every so often. And you can see that it has the notches there for the insert to be slid into. All right, and the next thing I will point out is the insert. It's similar in, its makeup, but as you can see, it has the notches that fit into the base so that it can just slide right in. Just like that. And then you would make that just slide it in as far as it goes, and that's why the installation is so easy. In addition, Taco includes all of the screws that you're going to need to mount the base to the boat. And also included are two end caps so that you have a nice clean looking installation. And of course, the instruction sheet. A lot of people may find this handy as well. It's going to go through the steps. Again, it's not a complicated installation, but they do include all of the steps that you need in this booklet. So as you can see, Taco has included pretty much everything that you're going to need to install this rub rail on your boat. Of course, if you have any questions about identifying the correct kit for your application, feel free to give our ABYC certified experts a call at 866-388-0390. And of course, you can find us online at marinepartssource.com. Now, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And of course, if you have any questions or comments, suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.